Good evening, learners, guys, children, students, friends. Today I am here also with you, and my son is also with me. The second video on English speaking. You know, in previous video, I discussed that what is the need and what is the importance of speaking in English in the world. So English speaking has been, a key factor for the people wherever people go, in any company, in any reputed company. So in any company there is the first demand is that a candidate should be fluent in spoken English. That is required whether you are teaching in any private school, you go for interview. I am also sharing my personal experience. That thing I have also faced, you will also face, and you are facing. So if you don't know how to speak in English, you are not regarded well, you are not considered. Suppose however intelligent you may be, but you are not fluent in English, you will not exist. So English speaking is a must in today's modern world. And you know people living in urban areas, rural areas, they are hungry. They just want to speak in English. Why? Because English has great importance. Why it has great importance? Because this is an international language. Without English we cannot express ourselves. Suppose we are, you know we know how to drive a car. In our country we can easily express our views that how to drive. We can give a demo by telling in our mother tongue. But if you want to tell uh, all over the world, so English is needed for that. Without English we can't explain, and people will not understand us. So English has great importance. English speaking, you must not think so that it is very very difficult. No, this is very very easy. But you have seen in English speaking countries why they are so fluent in speaking English. Why? Because their atmosphere is so. Because their parents are speaking in English, and babies are habitual then. Our parents are our first teachers, so they have atmosphere. So they easily they easily speak English. Okay. So main thing is we have to create atmosphere. If you cannot create atmosphere in your surroundings, you have to imagine the atmosphere, you have to suppose the atmosphere. Eh, this is or this may be a method. You have to imagine, you have to create atmosphere. you know in Haryana people speak Haryanvi. They are even not able to speak in Hindi properly. So my meaning is to say that we have to create atmosphere. And how atmosphere is created, that is the thing. How atmosphere is created, we have to be we have to be have a control. We have to have a control on our mind. you know oh my baby, you don't touch me. I'm teaching now. Okay, if you are going to sleep, you can sleep. You can sleep, no problem. Okay, sorry for disturbance. My son is about to sleep, that's why he's telling me, Papa, I am about to sleep. Okay, then sleep, my child, sleep, child. Okay, then so what is the thing? I'm discussing with you that the key factor is atmosphere. Then second thing comes practice. Practice. We all are imitators. Whatever we listen, whatever we hear, we try to speak it. You know what are the words we have learned first? What our parents speak, we imitate the same, we copy the same. We copy the same. Suppose my father is saying, suppose I am saying something, suppose I am saying my son's name is Shaksham, and I am saying Kakam. I am saying Kakam. Then other people also will start speaking Kakam, Kakam. So what is this? Because they are also learning from atmosphere. They are, you just, suppose I am saying something, suppose I am doing I'm saying something, I am singing a song, suppose karo, I am singing song like Hare Rama Hare Krishna. Then my son will also start singing, will also start singing Hare Rama Hare Krishna. So we have to copy each and everything. Okay, so for this, behind this example, I want to make you understand only one thing, that is we have to copy. How we have to copy? This is very, very simple. This may have many methods. Okay, how? Suppose before mirror, you have mirror, and you also use mirror at home. You want to look smart, you want to look yourself. Okay, so what is this? And if you don't have any source of creating atmosphere, of imitating, then you have to create yourself. Okay, before mirror, you go there. Okay, you try to speak in English, that and feel how I am looking and how I am pronouncing the words, how my voice is. And you just try to make a video, then listen to the video and see how I am speaking, where I am wrong, how I look. So these things you have to do in the beginning. Don't worry about sentences. In the previous video I told you that you have not to care that how many sentences I am making wrong. Leave it. First you have to have fluency, and when fluency will come, then you start speaking. Okay, so my guidance or my suggestion is to you, if you want to speak in English, you have to try your level best to create an atmosphere. Okay, take 2 or 3 people who are well educated and who want to speak in English, make a group, start speaking with them. Okay, then your hesitation will remove and you will pronounce the word correctly. If you are pronouncing the word correctly, then the other things will come, then your accuracy matters. Okay, so first thing is make a group. If you are not able to create a group, then you use your own imagination. You think that the wall is my friend and try to speak with the wall. That you suppose many lookers or many tourists are looking at me. Start speaking with them. Imagine the thing, copy the thing, imitate the thing. We are all imitators. First we have to imitate, first we have to copy, then we have to improve. Okay, then gradually we will have mastery. you'll have mastery. This is the simple method we have to adopt, we have to implement in our lives. Then English speaking, you will see, will be very very easy. So I would come once again with with a new method of how to speaking in English, how to speak in English. I will share my experience. I will make it very very easy for you. I'll try my best. Thank you very much for that. I hope that you will from this video you will learn how to create atmosphere. I mean, you will scratch your mind. You will scratch your mind. Okay. From the I hope you will scratch your mind. You will watch maximum videos that are in English language. You will try to watch maximum news channels that are in English. You will try to watch or listen to the speeches which are in English language. Okay. And after listening to the videos, movies, speeches, you will try your level best to make the sentences habitual, to bring the sentences in your natural speaking. Then your hesitation will remove, and you will gain confidence. If confidence builds, then it will look you very very easy to speak in English. Thank you very much.
Go.